The product of two numbers is 68,105 and their sum is 522. Without determining the numbers, find their positive difference. So for this problem, we have two methods to solve this problem. So first, let us use a representation first. Let A and B be the two numbers respectively. So it is stated in the problem that A times B is equal to 68,105. A plus B is equal to 522. And when we say positive difference, or the one we're looking for, or the one that is being asked in the problem, is the absolute value of the difference of two numbers. So first, we know that the square of A plus B is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared, and is also equal to 522 squared. Next, simplifying it further, because we have a value of AB here that we can substitute, which is 68,105, we have A squared plus B squared is equal to 522 squared minus, or subtracting negative 2AB both sides, or transposing it, we will be having 522 squared minus 2AB, then simplifying it. So 522 squared is actually 272,484 minus 2 times 68,105. So A squared plus B squared is equal to 272,484, and 2 times 68,105 is 136,210. So we have a value of A squared plus B squared now, which is 136,274. And next, we know that the value of A minus the square of A minus B is equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So substituting all the values, because we all have the values of A squared plus B squared, and also 2 times A times B. So now we have substituting A squared plus B squared, which is 136,274, and then 2 times 68,105 is equal to 136,210. So we have an answer of 64. But remember, this is still in a square form. So getting the square root, we'll be having A minus B is equal to 8. So this is the final answer. So for the second method, this is when you know the identity. So we know that the square of x minus y is equal to the square of x plus y minus 4xy. So this method will help us learn or answer this problem really quick. So substituting all the values, we have 522 squared minus 4 times 68,105. 522 squared is equal to 272,484, and 4 times 68,105 is 272,420, and it will give us an answer of 64. Then remember that this is still in form of square, so getting the square at both sides. So x minus y is equal to 8. I use x and y as a representation for the two numbers. I'm really sorry for that, but this is much the same than A and B. And if we're confused about this one, let us try to simplify it further so you will understand it. So the square of x minus y is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And then the square of x plus y will give us x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus 4xy. Then copying this one. Then Solving the similar terms, we have x squared. So 2xy minus 4xy is equal to negative 2xy plus y squared, giving us the same or equal equation, equal expression to both sides.